Are you trying to make your Facebook account private? If you are, then you've come to the right video, because in this video I'm exactly going to show you how to make your FB account private. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end. Now, unlike Instagram, Facebook does not have a separate button where you can immediately turn your account private. You'll need to manage a few settings before you can make your account private. So first of all, open up your Facebook app, tap on the menu on the top right. From here, scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Profile Settings and tap on the Privacy option. Now through this section, you can manage a couple of settings. The first one is your activity, and the first option here you see is who can see your future post. If you don't want other people other than your friends to view any post that you make on your Facebook account, you can tap on the friends option. But however, if there are some people that you want to exclude, you can tap on friends accept, and you can exclude some people from viewing your post, or you can also tap on specific friends and add in only those friends that you want to show your post to. This is similar to close friends on Instagram. So once that is done, there are a few other settings that you can manage, such as who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. You can set these to only me, and similarly you can also set who can see your stories and who can see your future reels to the option that you like. Under how people can find and contact you, you can tap this option and tap on friends of friends. This way, not everyone on Facebook who sees your profile would be able to send you a friend request. And likewise, you can also manage these settings, such as who can look you up using your email or look you up using your phone number. Make sure you set it to only me. And you can also manage this who can see your friend request and select it to only me as well. By doing these couple of settings, your Facebook account will be made private, and other people who you are not friends on Facebook won't be able to see any post that you made. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.